to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jaybird and a self-confessed fashion addict. So I don't know about you on this one, but one brand I think of instantly when the sun starts to come out is Zimmerman. So today I'm going to be taking you through some of the best Zimmerman dresses out there for this season and also go through any tips to get the designer looks for less. So I'm going to start with one of my favourite prints that Zimmerman are doing right now. The fabric in this range is absolutely incredible. They do this print in short and long dresses, but also skirts, shorts and tops. But what I love about it is that each dress will look so different with the striking print because it's always going to be in a different placement with just how the fabric goes. This one's in a chiffon kind of silk fabric, but they do them in a linen fabrics too and blends, so the whole range is just stunning. This is a longer version of the dress, which is so versatile. Just throw on a pair of sandals for the beach or pop on a black belt and leather jacket and you're ready for the day out. So this is my favourite one of all the styles because it's just a perfect day to night dress with the stunning dragonfly buttons, which are just such a cute touch. I actually ordered this one on pre-order via LUISAVIAROMA, so I'm quite excited for that one to arrive. If you wanted a Zimmerman piece, a tip to look out for is that LUISAVIAROMA do codes, and I got this one at 15% off on a flash offer. So if there's that one piece that you love, it does save you quite a fair amount. But also if you're looking for something similar on a budget, Zara currently have this printed linen dress, which if you look at the pattern, it's quite similar actually and a pretty good dupe. It has the birds on and a similar colour scheme, it's just not as sheer. So moving on to a different print, this one just holds its own. Once again, they have the smaller details like the buttons, which I just think makes them with the little dragonflies on. I do love what Zimmerman do with the volume in their clothes. It's just such a good statement piece that you can take from day to night again. So last but not least of the season's favourites, this is a most stunning dress right now. It incorporates that bralette trend we've got going on right now, and they've really hit the spot with this one. I never knew a dress could have so much sass and sophistication all in one. I do love it. So another tip with if you really want a Zimmerman dress but you don't like the price tag, the Outnet has the best deals on last season's. There's some really good finds on there right now, so I would 100% go take a look if you want looks for less. And if you really are on a budget, like the Zara option I showed you previously, Asos have got some fab dupes. This one is actually such a similar style for the price of £56, really not that bad. These are very limited in sizes, so please act quick. This is another dupe of last season's dress in print, another from Asos, so it's definitely worth having a look for those summer dresses. So that's all for today guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one or luxury unboxings. I'll see you in the next video.